Hi everyone, my name is Paul Grenning and I'm from Group 2, and this is our mirror project called the Looking Glass. When you first start the application, you'll be asked to take a picture of yourself, and to do this we click on the little camera icon. Secondly, you'll be asked to enter your name, so I'll enter mine now, Paul. And then generally this is a touch keyboard, so it's a lot easier to type than using the mouse. Second, we're asked to enter our email address, so I'll call myself p.g@gmail.com. And then we're asked for our password, just make something up. And lastly, we're asked if we want the Looking Glass application to sync our Gmail account with the calendar and the email widget. And yes, I do. So when we first start this, we can go into Config if we want. We can select the current language, so we can change to Spanish if we want. We can leave it in English. We can select units for things like the weather widget or the health widget, change to Fahrenheit or pounds or miles instead of kilometers, kilograms, and Celsius. Under Accounts tab, we can run Setup again and add a new account, or we can remove the current account by clicking on it. We can go to the Wi-Fi tab and change Wi-Fi networks. And we'll ask to enter a password. The next little widget here is the light widget. If we want to have a light in our bathroom at night or something, we can fade this in and out. The opacity widget allows us to fade out every other widget on the screen except for this one, of course, in case we want to use just the mirror itself. And lastly, on the bottom we have the toggle camera, so if we don't want it to transmit any data to anywhere besides just the mirror. And then at the top left we have a calendar widget to view our current daily schedule. We can scroll through this and view our next few days if we would like. In the top right we have a weather widget. If we click on it, we can view the current forecast for the day. Click on it again to close it. In the bottom left we have our main widgets, a health widget, which shows our fitness, basically how much running and walking we've done for the day or should have done. And we can view the weight widget, which shows our current weight for the past few days. Our nutrition value, sleep, so we can view how much sleep we've got. And the next widget we have is a news widget. If we click on Yahoo Sports, we can view an RSS feed from Yahoo, which shows different articles. And if we click on an article, we can view the full article itself. Next we have a social widget, which shows an aggregate feed of Twitter and Facebook based on the accounts you have added. We click accounts, we can see that GGGGG is in there. That's just a random account we made, so I'm going to remove that if we want by clicking on it. And the final two here, we have an email account, which is very similar to the social one. We just see a feed of emails, and if we want to view the full email, we can click on it. And we see a pop-up, and when we're done we can close this. And lastly we have a music widget, and we can hit play and listen to music if we would like. And we control the volume on the side, or we can listen through the radio. And that is our mirror project, the Looking Glass. Thank you for watching.